Hello, today we're looking at this sectional view question. So it says, an alternative design for the container to hold the games pieces shown below. We've got this little isometric picture showing this box here. So the container is made from 5mm foam board and has a central divider, so that bit here. So we've got the AA bits, it's been split down the middle here. So what we're going to do first of all is we need to complete sort of this rectangular shape. So I'm just going to get these parts, extend them along. First of all, just some faint construction lines, and I'll go up on these bits as well. So I'll go up here, here. Right, so it says here, I want a full size. So we've got 60 and 45, plus we've got these 5mm gaps here. So that's going to be 60 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 45, so that equals 120. So what we do is go measure 120, pull out a mark. And I can now go straight up here, and I'm going to measure this part here, which is 40mm high. So I'll measure 40. Put a mark and do a faint construction line along again. So I'm just going to quickly put this side bit in to complete these walls here. So I'll measure 5 my line, little mark, and then use the 90 degree to come down. So once I've done this, we then need to put that middle divider in. Because the sectional view, it's been cut along here. So we need to imagine what it would look like being cut. So obviously we're going to see that central divider. So it's cut along here. So with this, the arrows point at which way we're looking at it. So we're looking at it that way. This is important because this has two different dimensions either side. So we've got a short side which is 45 and a longer side which is 60. So we've got to imagine we're looking at it from that direction. So in which case, on the left-hand side is the 45 and the right-hand side is the 60. So I measure 45 here, put a little mark, and then get my 90 degree and come down here and measure 5mm for the thickness of the material, which is that, and come down here. So now we've got the basic parts done, I'll quickly just go over these heavy and line them in. So if you look at the picture, these bits sit on top of the base. The base part goes all the way along, and then the other bits, the walls, the divider, sit on the base bit. And also do a thick line all the way along the back, because even though we're cutting here, we can still see that back section there. So I'll do these lines coming down. And here, and here. So the last thing we need to do, because it is a sectional view, is put the hatchings in. So anywhere where it's been cut, we'll put the hatchings going along. So with this, it's cut through that wall, cut through that wall, cut through that wall. So those three bits are going to be hatchings, and it's cut through the bottom bit. However, these bits here, they haven't been cut, so we won't put anything on there. So I'll quickly just do the hatchings going along, try and get it roughly equally spaced. This takes a little bit of time. Let's use the 45 degree set square, it's much easier. And we're going to do bits like this. So just work your way along. Put this action, this is the last thing we need to do. because this just shows where the wall has been cut. Last couple of bits. And there we go, complete our sectional view.